Spencer, read your book.
I can do it.
Are you gonna read it?
Yes.
Go ahead.
That one.
You already read that part. Read the story. I want you to read the story to me.
I can't write my name. I can't say
What's that word?
Smile.
Smile. Good job.
Smile. I don't know.
Then
Then jump into the pile.
Turn the page.
I can slide down a slide.
Slide down.
Slide down a slide. I can make a get from, I don't know.
Try it. What does it start with?
Clay.
good job. Clay.
Clay.
Daddy, help.
I'm sorry.
I can eat a lima bean. I can dance parade.
I
can
can
dance ballet.
ballet.
I can
No.
I can
No.
I don't know how to tie my shoe with the help of a friend. I can learn how to
That.
too.
Good job.
That one.
Yeah. There's nothing there.
Let us there.
Okay, but there's no words there to read. Turn the page.
I to be
Oh, come on.
Come on. Next page, please.
Next page.
I can
Bang.
bang on the drum.
Does that say the? Does it say the?
No.
What does it say?
On a drum.
Good. This one?
Play.
Wait.
Read the whole sentence.
I can
Reach.
a high
Shelf.
He said radish.
There's an R-A. There's an H.
Come on, Bubba.
Come on.
I can come my father.
My fur.
Fur.
Good try. Try this one.
I can borrow
Pour.
for my juice.
Myself.
Myself.
What's it look like?
He's gonna shoot the ball.
Yeah.
What-
Read it.
Read the sentence, please.
He's freezing.
She's freezing?
Yeah.
She wants you to read the sentence.
Read it. I'm
too small to dunk the ball.
Good job. Next page.
I need help from my friend. Who
Who
is
8
feet all
tall.
tall.
Who's the friend that's 8 feet tall?
Big bird.
Big Bird.
I can
Try it.
Try it. Look at what she's doing.
balloon
Button.
button my shirt.
What is she doing?
Button my shirt.
Button her shirt.
Are you
Okay.
done? Come on, finish. There's
Almost done.
Almost done. Someone can see you on YouTube. Come on.
On
Here.
YouTube.
Yeah, finish it first.
I can
String
stain
some
some brain
beads.
beads. We can jump so high. Let's go.
Almost
Let's
done,
go
Baba.
jump. Let's go jump.
Almost done. Come on, finish it.
We can plant
You okay? We can plant
we can plant
what?
some
Some.
needs.
Good job. Seeds. That's a good try, though. Looks like needs. Can you sit down here so I can see your face? Sit down here next to Daddy. Next to the book.
How do you read a book? You look at the book, you sit down, you read the book.
Come on, one wants to see you.
What's that word again? I'm
I'm too little for a two three
wheel
wheel bike. My friend is too big. I
no
too
fit
fit on my
trike.
trike. He's fit on. He's not fit on his trike.
Well,
Because
Big Bird
Big
doesn't
Bird is
fit
too
in his
big.
bike. But he's too short for this one, right? Almost done.
And let's go on the tree.
Yeah, that's where they are.
Come on, finish it.
Let's go on tree. Let's go on tree. Let's go on.
Almost
tree.
done. Come on.
Let's go on the tree. I can.
Uh-oh.
I can't what?
I
Can't.
can't.
Spencer.
Yeah.
Finish it, please.
What
Read.
read is book? You can't
Climb.
climb it
This.
this tree.
Next page. Hello.
Hello. Daddy's pointing.
I can have